Hello friends and welcome back to Flavors of My Restaurant. Today I will be sharing with you a recipe of Dal Palak or spinach in lentil soup. Now to make this recipe I have taken one tomato chopped, two onions which are sliced, six cloves of garlic, one bag of spinach which was around 1 kilo, and 1 cup of Masoor Dal, a red lentil. Now for the spices, I'm taking 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ground red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste. Now in a pressure cooker, I'm taking around 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to brown my onions. I'm going to saute my onions until it is golden brown. Now you can really take any oil. You can even cook it in ghee or butter. I have taken sunflower oil, but it can be really any vegetable oil. Now, while my onions are getting browned, I'm going to take my spinach. I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to finely chop it. All the recipe the entire recipe is mentioned in the description box, and the link of my website and my social media pages are also linked in the description box. I hope you will take time to visit them and where you can find all my other recipes. Now, my onions have browned and my spinach is chopped. Here I'm going to add in my tomatoes and I'm going to saute it for a couple of minutes and add in garlic cloves. The reason why I'm adding whole garlic cloves as opposed to ground garlic is to save time, basically, just to save time. And it's easy because it's going to cook down anyway in the pressure. Now I've added the masalas and I've sauteed for a while and I'm adding in my spinach and I'm going to saute this until it changes its colors. So the idea is to let the chlorophyll from the green evaporate. So until this is all softened up now, and I'm just at this point I'm going to add in my lentils, Masoor Dal or orange lentil, and it's a really easy dish to cook. I mean, it hardly takes time and it's ready in no time. And especially for people who are who are single, who live alone, maybe in hostels or in PGs, and working people who don't have much time, you can really cook a really wholesome meal, really nutritious, and it's so easy to cook. Here I've added adequate amount of water, and I'm just gonna let cover this uh, and let this cook. And it really cooks down really well. So around in 5 whistles, it was done. Now every pressure cooker takes its own time, so you may know how much time your dal will take to cook. There's no extra time. This is exactly the time that your normal dal will take to cook. So here I have opened it and I'm just now I'm taking a small frying pan. You can take any tempering pan and I'm going to prepare a temper for the dal. Although I had cooked this dal via tempering method, but I like to add this at the end also for extra taste. I've taken around 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm taking half teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Be sure to add red chili flakes after the zira has crackled to prevent it from blacking. And now I've added it to my dal, and this delicious dal is ready. I hope you will try this. Thanks for watching. Do let me know how did you like it, and if you like my video, do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.